Workaholic husband, surprising reasons for his addiction to work. Hi friends, welcome to Marriage Realities, a comprehensive relationship channel. This video is about the surprising reasons why your husband is addicted to his work. Are you married to a workaholic husband? Your husband makes you feel lonely and deserted by not attending to your emotional needs. He is so concentrated in his profession that he seems to have no time for you. You feel isolated and alone when your husband spends all his free time doing his official work. You do not enjoy family time in your relationship because all hours are working hours for your husband. Of course, you understand that your husband should be dedicated to his profession as it is very important for his success. But frenzied obsession towards his work makes your husband a workaholic, full of work and no fun. And you do not like it at all. I'm the second wife to my husband. I looked aghast at my friend when she uttered these words. How can she be so cool about an aspect which would otherwise have a devastating effect on any wife? Seeing my confused look, my friend laughed. But I could see an undercurrent of sadness in her laughter. Well, the profession of my husband is his first wife and I'm only second to him, she clarified ruefully. Whenever I talk with my husband, I could literally feel that he's not with me. I could clearly sense that his mind was thinking about his work and whatever I was saying was swimming over his head. When my husband is home, he's always glued to his laptop doing his official work. And he never for once thinks that it is his duty to spend some time with me. My friend looked sorrowful. My husband never accompanies me for any family functions. I go to the parents' meeting of my children all alone. If I ask my husband that he should accompany me at least to such important occasions, he says that he does not have time for it as he is tied up with his work. My friend sounded irritated. My husband had all the qualification of a workaholic. There is no second opinion that the married life of my friend must be boring and uninteresting to her. Is your husband also too focused on his work without spending time with you? Does your husband willingly spend extra hours in his workplace than to be home with you and your children? Is your husband frenzied about proving his worth to the company he works for? Then your husband is also a workaholic. It is true that your husband must be concentrated in his profession to be successful. But everything has its limits, doesn't it? Your husband cannot always think and live his work. When your husband is a workaholic, there is no liveliness and sparkle in your interaction. Your husband would rather be glued to his work even after returning home than spend time with his family. Your workaholic husband thinks only about his profession and work-related duties. Your husband never realizes that he has duties towards his family also. Here are emphatic signs that your husband is a workaholic. Your husband is so focused in his work that he works while eating also, one eye on food and one eye on the laptop. He has time only for his profession and not for you. Your husband is always tensed about his work. Your husband acts as though the whole company depends on him for its success and profit. Your husband does not trust anyone to do the allocated work, nor does he allocate work among his team. It is because your husband does not want anyone to steal his recognition. The friend circle of your husband is mostly his colleagues. When your husband converses with anyone, it is invariably about his work. A very tough marriage scenario, isn't it? Here are the stunning reasons behind the workaholic nature of your husband. The number one reason for the workaholic attitude of your husband is he is passionate about his work. Your husband is passionate about his work. His passion is so deep that he lives and breathes his profession. Your husband feels that it is his duty to give his 100% to his work. So, his thoughts are full of his work and the ways to do it. He wakes up thinking about his work and retires to bed thinking about his work. In the bargain, your husband forgets that he has family duties also. The number two reason for the workaholic attitude of your husband is he literally sucks up the acknowledgement he gets in his profession. When the management appreciates the work of your husband, he literally swims in the pleasure it gives him. The more the appreciation your husband gets in his workplace, the more addicted he becomes to the words he hears. Your husband feels giddy with pride with the appreciation and the approval he gets from the management. He wants to prove his work to the management at any cost. So, your husband plunges himself into his work. It makes your husband feel egoistic when the management makes him feel that he is indispensable for the company. The number 3 reason for the workaholic attitude of your husband is the money he earns. If your husband is a businessman, he knows that time is money. The more time he spends for his business, the more money he will earn. And if the time your husband spends for his business proves to be money worthy, he literally becomes so money conscious that everything else goes to the background. The number 4 reason for the workaholic attitude of your husband is his incompatibility with you. Are you surprised? When both do not coexist in harmony, your husband finds his time at home very tedious and taxing. In fact, your husband fears being home because of your lashing tongue and consistent nagging. So, all your husband wants is time away from you. Nothing becomes an excuse than his work. So, your husband often cites his work for his inability to be home. When there is no compatibility between you, it's only natural there are a lot of arguments and fights between you. Your husband hates the atmosphere at home, which is unfriendly and hostile. So, your husband concentrates a wee bit too much of his time on his work to forget the animosity between you. The number 5 reason for the workaholic attitude of your husband is overload of financial commitments. When there are loads of financial commitments to be met, your husband has no other goal than spend his time working overtime to earn some extra money for the family. Your workaholic husband might have parents who are financially dependent on him. Your children might be in the threshold of going to college and your husband works himself threadbare to fulfill his financial commitments. The family might be in a financial mess and you might be needing extra money to pull you out of the rut. Your husband works extra hours for the sake of the extra money your family direly needs. The number 6 surprising reason for the workaholic attitude of your husband is he does not know he's a workaholic. Do you know that there are times when your husband does not know that he is a workaholic? In fact, your husband thinks he is working for the betterment of his family. Your husband feels by earning extra money through extra hours of work, he can boost up the standard of living of his family. Whatever might be the reason behind the workaholic attitude of your husband, it is a plain fact that you spend lonely hours at home. Do not compare your lonely hours with that of your friends who have excellent family life. Do not make the life of your husband stressful by comparing him with your colleagues' friends who spend quality time with their family. Tell your husband in a reasonable tone to balance his time between work and family. Inform your husband gently that your children miss him. Both should have an amiable talk about the family hours to be spent together. Your husband should realize that he has duties towards the family also. But do not start arguments as to how he is neglecting the family. Your husband hates it. Understand what is driving your husband towards being a workaholic. If it's your nagging and incompatibility, make the time your husband spends at home pleasurable so that he wants to spend more time with you. If it is a need for good standard of living that is driving your husband to be frenzied about his work, you must be prepared to make certain sacrifices. But you cannot be totally deprived of your family life. Your husband should realize that it is useless to earn thousands of dollars if he cannot spend quality time with his family. Your understanding love might make your husband realize that his profession and family are equally important. Did this video make you understand the reasons behind the workaholic attitude of your husband? Marriage Realities will have many such untouched relationship eye-openers. Subscribe to my channel to understand your marriage in a new light. Press the bell icon for updates about my latest relationship videos. Make until death do us part your relationship goal.